on, she said she on Southside. Who's back, but you know I don't really go outside. When the blessing come, it don't give thanks, cause it's about time. Yeah, spend all my time in the woods and the hills and the alpines. Cause I ain't trust what you doing is real. In time, you will show me things for now. Starting to question what all this really about. We used to bunk it, now I hardly see you around. I don't got time for nobody who's bringing me down. Count up 100 bands with a click. Now I got Rocky Road on my wrist. Now I can lock and load on the shit. Shorty gon' drop a roll cause it's lit. Me and my brothers hang in the cut. Smoking on but we can't get enough. We set a pace, we ain't keeping up. Oh yeah, we used to pray for the love, yeah. Now I just get it, yeah. Shorty was mad that I ain't take her out on a Wednesday. All this currency making me sick. Fuck it, this paper I shredded. I get all my tacos at 7-Eleven. I swear to God I ain't going to heaven. I do no motion.
Good morning and welcome to a day in my life. I haven't filmed one of these in sort of a while. I film them all the time, I know. But I feel like I haven't filmed one in kind of a while, so I thought I would do a little day of my life. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna film a day in my life. I don't have much going on right yet this morning. It's a mess in here, by the way. Let me throw that out there. It's kind of a mess. Okay. Right now I'm making coffee. This is just like the good old day in my life. So I'm making coffee. It's gonna be great. I'm using some new syrups I got from TJ Maxx. They're like the skinny syrups, so they're sugar-free, which is good, but they're like fun flavors. So I don't know what I'm gonna use. I probably will use cookie dough, maybe. I don't know. But I'm itching my armpit right now. I'm literally gonna wash out this old Dunkin' Donuts cup to make my coffee in today because I just feel like that's the vibe for today. I use Planet O oat milk. It's like the best oat milk ever. I really like it. This isn't sponsored. I just really like Planet O oat milk. I think it's really good. So I'm putting it in my frother, just like the rest, because this is kind of empty. It's empty now. Oh, that's not the right lid. Where's the lid? Ice is in there, okay? I'm waiting for my milk to finish, like, doing its thing. Just pour that on in there. Ooh. That looks literally banging. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Just can we appreciate the like that? Oh my gosh, let's mix it. The ice is like all clumped together, but that's okay. Yum. Okay, yeah. Okay, I just changed into something just more comfortable. It's just a little sweatshirt I got from Target. This whole outfit's from Target now. But I am going to finish, I think, editing my video, but I have like a little bit to do and I'm gonna get it ready to upload for today right now. And then I think I'll do my makeup because I need to film later today, when like not in a ton later, but like a little bit later. Also, I have like breakouts. I'm on my period. I started it yesterday. Is that too much information? I don't know. But I popped these this morning because they were literally like disgusting and white and gross. So yeah. What? You're a good boy. Give me that ball. Give me this ball. Welcome back to my channel today. Okay, that's a funny paused screen, but I'm saving because I finished editing. Still not finished with my coffee, but Bradley is on his way home, so oh my gosh, he's ripping everything apart. I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym because I think we're gonna go before he takes a nap. So I'm gonna get changed. That's saving so that I can upload it to YouTube. But it's kind of still a mess in here. There's literally dog toys everywhere. He doesn't contain them. He doesn't keep them. He doesn't keep them in his little basket right there. So he's a good boy. So I take a ton of mirror selfies. I want my phone to be aesthetically pleasing. Casetify allows that with the cutest cases literally ever. As you guys know, I love Casetify cases. I have so many. Here's this one that I have on my phone right now. Literally, how freaking cute is this phone case? So cute. And then I have all of these other ones. I have a ton of their impact and ultra impact cases, which are layered with a 2-layer construction of Chi-Tech. And they're drop test approved from 6.5 feet, which is kind of crazy. I'll show you guys that because it's actually impressive. As you can see, they come in a ton of colors and designs, so you can pick your favorite or you can customize them. Like this one is a photogrid customized case. I have a couple customized cases with my name on it. These have my name. This one's a mirror. This one's just clear with my name. This one I have on actually has my name engraved on the bottom. Can you see it? Yeah. So you can have them customized to anything you like, and there's so many options to choose from. Caseify lets you have the best of both worlds, protection and personality, so you can make your phone case match you. Caseify has an antimicrobial coating, keeping your case germ-free, killing 99% of bacteria on your phone. And something so important to me is that Caseify's cases are made of partially recycled plastic, so you can feel good about having such a cute phone case. So if you're looking for the perfect phone case to show off in your mirror selfies, I would definitely check out Caseify's cases. They're protective and so adorable. You guys should definitely go check them out. Just go to caseify.com/Messler for 15% off of your order. That's my dog's butt. Definitely go check out Caseify. I love them so much, and I know you will too. I bought a workout tank top literally yesterday that I'm gonna wear because I bought it yesterday. So I got it from TJ Maxx. I got a set of like 2 little workout tank tops. They're like, it's $15 for these 2 tank tops. So I'm gonna wear one of these and probably just like leggings. I just put this tank top on. Literally look at the padding, you can see it. So I'm gonna need to pull these out and put a sports bra on with it, but what the heck. Okay, gym fit. This is from TJ Maxx. My sports bra is also from TJ Maxx, and then my leggings are from American Eagle. So yes. Nice. Okay, I'll see you guys in the gym. I need to fix my
2020 is the year I'm going there. I'm breaking all the rules, I'm telling lies of what you did. You got me acting stupid for some thoughts and medicine. I feel I'm on the road, getting better as I'm winning. I like the different places, put my heart all on the road. She acting like she better, she can't even get a code. I play with all my stories, I can kick it like a show. No matter what I do, I take my news, I give me home. I feel so tough, I think my brain is going dumb. I can drink it for this Coca-Cola mix around. I ran away from you, I feel like everything is fine. So now I turn it 2 and 3 just like a run. I just lost for us, so like this, like this. So lame, it's like great. Like I should to the things that came to my head. All my blessings coming through, I'm really fighting like a mud. Turn the tables to the heavy, only at the same night. She can stop me in the bed, then I cannot make it nice. You and me are not the same, when it's toying with the price. 2020 is the year I'm going there. I'm breaking all the rules, I'm telling lies of what you did. You got me acting stupid for some thoughts and medicine. I feel I'm on the road, getting better as I win. I left the different places, put my heart all on the road. She acting like she better, she can't even get a code. I play with all my stories, I can kick it like a show. No matter what I do, I take my dues, I give me hoes.
When you see me, you know what it is. You better check your rollie, cause it end up in the 6. Remember when I used to tell you I'ma do it big? It ain't too many out here doing what I did, yeah. Had the vision back when I was 19. Couldn't tell you had the shit that I seen.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm about to clean out the fridge. Bradley's napping now. We're back from the gym, obviously. But I'm gonna clean the fridge out because I just have a bunch of old food that I need to throw away. So that's what I'm doing now. Done with that. I need to straighten up, but I'm gonna watch YouTube videos and I think I'm gonna make a piece of toast because I'm kind of hungry.
Whose side do you want? She said she on South side. Who's back, but you know I don't really go outside. When the blessing come, we don't give thanks, cause it's about time. Yeah, spend all my time in the woods and the hills and the alpines. Cause I ain't trust what you doing is real. In time, you will show me things for now. Starting to question what all this really about. We used to bunk it, now I hardly see you around. I don't got time for nobody who's bringing me down. Count up 100 bands for the click. Now I got rocket road on my wrist. Now I can.
Okay, so my little breakfast that I said I was gonna make turned into this. Fruit, I have Nutella toast, and then some granola to eat. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna eat now. It looks really good, so I'm gonna chow down. No.
Me and my brothers hang in the cut. Smoking on, but we can't get enough. We set a pace, we ain't keeping up. Oh yeah, we used to pray for the love. Yeah, nah, I just get it. Yeah, shorty was mad that I ain't take her out on a Wednesday. Off this curse, you make it.
Hello. It's much later. Ooh, it's much later now, and I'm about to clean up the apartment because it's a mess. Like, it's a mess. So this is realistic. Hey guys. It's a total mess, so I'm gonna clean up. There's so much to clean up. Oh my goodness. The bathroom is even a freaking mess. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean up now. I probably won't film like a ton of it. Maybe just like little here and there time lapses, but yes, let's do it.
Whose side are you on? She said she on south side. Who's back? But you know I don't really go outside. When the blessing come, we don't give thanks, cause it's about time. Yeah, spend all my time in the woods and the hills and the alpines. Cause I ain't trust what you do.
Okay, I just made Bradley a smoothie. I forgot to film it though, but I think I'm gonna do my makeup and then come back to cleaning up everything. So let's go do my makeup. I'm gonna before. And let's go here. Let's go eat the treats. Done. Simple makeup. I also need to fix my hair because this is not a look for me. But yeah, that's my makeup. Much better than before. Hi, so it's later and I've been slacking on filming. Me and my mom came over and we went to the grocery store. She helped me like grocery shop because I'm bad at it. I feel like I never get anything that's like good. So she helped me like pick out meals to make for this week. Right now I'm making the GGT pasta. You guys have probably seen me make this like 5 times now, but it's so good and we haven't had it in a while, so we're making that tonight. And basically I just got a rotisserie chicken and ripped it apart to put in the pasta to have some protein, but I'm just doing the pasta. But then I also got meals for the rest of this week. And yeah, I'm actually not filming the YouTube video I talked about earlier today. I'm gonna film it tomorrow because it feels like a chill night. But my water's boiling and I need to start like cooking, so that is what I'm doing. I have no onion though to put in my pasta, so I won't be adding onion, but that's okay.
2020 is the year I'm going in. I'm breaking all the rules, don't tell them lies of what you did. You got me acting stupid for some thoughts and medicine. I feel I'm on the road, getting better as I win. I'm at the different places, put my heart on.
Okay, I'll see y'all when it's like really done. Okay, I added everything together, you know, chicken, noodles, and sauce together, and now I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. These are the flakes. Preference is, I don't know. When I read the recipe, they used flakes, so I bought flakes, and I just really like them. So I add a generous amount of this, because it's just really good. And then, yeah. But I'm so hungry. I'm really ready for Bradley to get home. He should be home, like, super soon. But, yeah, I'm so hungry. This looks really good. I'll update you. Oop, almost stepped on Oakley. I'll update you when Bradley's here and we're eating. He's here. Is my boy here? Come on. Hi.
Drinking 40s, Coca-Cola mix around. I ran away from you, I feel like everything is fine.